Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to increase water pressure in home. Start by checking the main shutoff valve and pressure regulator to ensure they are fully open. Next, inspect visible pipes and fixtures for leaks and address any found leaks promptly. Measure static pressure using a gauge at an outdoor spigot to see baseline numbers. If pressure is low, consider adjusting or replacing the regulator, cleaning aerators, and flushing the system to remove buildup. For common fixes, warm water systems and fixtures, start with simple items that often cause low flow. Remove aerators and shower heads and soak them to dissolve mineral buildup or replace them if damaged. Flush the water heater to clear sediment that restricts flow to upstairs fixtures. Inspect piping for corrosion or scale and consider replacing sections of old galvanized pipe to restore consistent pressure and better overall flow throughout the house. Consider upgrades when fixes don't help or when supply pressure is consistently low at multiple fixtures. A whole house pressure booster can raise water pressure across every tap, while replacing a faulty pressure regulator can stabilize SI to desired levels. If you notice wide-ranging issues, consult a licensed plumber who can test supply lines, check municipal pressure, and recommend the right pump size or regulator settings for your home's needs and code requirements.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.